If you're stuck on this screen with the error message saying, the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error, Windows installation cannot proceed, while installing Windows 11, 10, 8, or even Windows 7 on a Dell PC or laptop, don't worry. This is a common issue, and I'll show you exactly how to fix it. First, press Shift plus F10. On some laptops, use Shift plus Fn plus F10. When command prompt opens, type regedit and press Enter. Now go to H key local machine. System. Setup. Status. And child completion. On the right side, double-click on setup.exe. Change the value to 3, then click OK. After that, click OK on error message and your PC will restart, and Windows will continue installing normally. That's it, quick and easy. Thanks for watching.